to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, I know you guys are here to see what's in my FabFitFun box. And look at the designs they have on this one. So guys, this is for our winter box. This is my paid for subscription, guys. So I'm just sharing to you what's in my box. And I don't know what order everything was in for the first choices, so I'm gonna just go by and just show you what's in my box. The magazine here no longer tells us what's in the box anymore. They have lots of little articles and little things in here about some of the products, about skincare. Maybe some recipes are also listed in here in the back, which I may want to try, by the way. They have, look at this, they have like some champagne cupcakes or something over here. I thought that'd be pretty cool to try. So let's get right into unboxing this box, because there's like 8 items in here. Some of the items for the winter box 2022 were items that I have seen in some of the previous boxes, and I had some of them already, so maybe some of my options I wasn't given kind of the best of choices, or it was things I just wasn't interested in. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked for my box, and I'm gonna also show you guys what I picked for my add-ons as well. So without further delay, let's get into this thing. So guys, the first product I'm going to show you, I did choose the Christoph Robbins. This is the Cleansing and Purifying Scrub, and this is for your hair. It's a shampoo detox treatment. I love these kind of things where you can like have some kind of detox. This is the consistency of the product. I always like have a problem with dry scalp in the winter time, so I always think things like this are really good for me to kind of exfoliate some of this, the extra dead skin cells off of your scalp, and kind of have a nice fresh clean scalp, especially with wearing braids. So very important not to have a dry scalp then. But this is our product here. I know these Christoph Robin products can be pretty expensive, so I did pick this up, and we have a 8 fluid ounce jar. So this is a nice size jar of product, will last me for a good while. So again, this is the Cleansing Purifying Scalp Scrub for your hair detox shampoo. So let's go ahead and go to our next item in this box. So I was looking forward to this item in the box. I got the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. I love Ace Beauty products. I think they do a great job. This palette is Serendipity eyeshadow palette. That's what this one is called. So you get 12 colors in here, and it says it helps you feel like the most beautiful version of yourself with the 12 colors. And each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. So I've used quite a few of Ace Beauty's palettes. I did receive them between Boxy and Ipsy. I think more Boxy than Ipsy though. But let's go ahead and show you guys what the colors look like. It does have a mirror, so I'm going to just use the box cover here. Does it flip back? Oh, it does flip back. Okay, so it flips back. I can just do it like that. So these are the beautiful colors that are in this palette. I think this palette, you can have a lot of fun with this. These colors are very easy to work with to me. These are colors that anybody can go ahead and use. You can use them either by themselves, stack them on top of each other for more of a impactful look, or you can just kind of use them to like kind of, you know, however you choose to use your eyeshadow palettes. I always like to stack them, and I like to have a lot of fun with my palettes. So for me, this is a very like warm tone palette for the winter time to kind of play around with, like these kind of colors, and they all have different names on them. There's Zen, this one's Bubbly, Self-Care, Spa, Retreat, Calm, Relax, Meditate, Utopia, Rose, what is this one? Indulge, and Earth. So I think these are some very nice colors to play around with for the winter time. And I think Ace Beauty palettes, they really do have nice pigment and blend out very nicely. So if you love eyeshadow palettes like I do, I just went ahead and added this one to my collection. So I was really hyped to see this. This is probably the most hyped about thing in the box other than one other product. So let's go to the next product, guys. So I'm going to show you what I picked up. So the next thing, guys, that I picked up was a Herbivore product. I like this brand, and I've tried a few of their other products between Ipsy and Boxy. And this is Herbivore Aquarius. and this is a pore purifying clarity cream. So let me show you, and this is 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is what the product looks like, which I think is great. And it says, meet Aquarius, a blue hue lightweight cream moisturizer for combination and oily skin. It's formulated with blue tansy oil to improve skin, clarify, and help balance moisture levels, leaving skin soft and with a matte finish. So I can't wait to try this one out. So I think this would be cool. Always need moisturizer in the winter time, so perfect. So let's hit our next product that I selected. And I know you guys will be like, why did you choose another moisturizer? Because it was like First Aid Beauty, and it was their Ultra Repair one, and I just thought this was the best thing for me to choose out of the options that I had, so I picked it. At least it's something I know that I can use, which is important to me. Like, it's no point in getting a subscription and they let you make choices and then you get things that you don't like, or you know you're not going to use, or you can't even give them away as gifts because they don't match the other people's personality. So I just kind of pick things based on if I can use them or if I can give them away as gifts to people. So that is why I selected another moisturizer. So don't come for me. Don't come for me. I'm just telling you why. So this one here is the Intense Hydration. My skin dries out a lot in the winter time, so I picked this up because I clearly need the skin hydration. So this is what I got for myself, and I picked this up. First Aid Beauty, I think most of you guys are familiar with them. They're very well known for a lot of their products, especially their skincare products, and a lot of people have had great results with them. So if you have had great results, hit me up and let me know how you made out with this product. But this is what I selected in my box. So guys, the next product that I picked out of my box, I went with the Espa. This, I guess, is Espa. I'm assuming that's how you're pronouncing that. I'm not familiar with the brand, so I'm not going to pretend like I am. This is a body polish. I do like exfoliants, especially in the wintertime when our skin is a lot drier, to help get some of that dead skin off. So this is a body polish. It says revitalizing body exfoliator to smooth and refresh. So we have a 3.3 fluid ounce exfoliant here, and it says for best results you would just put this on damp skin and use a circular motion to kind of rub it in and rinse off, and it'll help you get some of the dead skin off your skin. So perfect for the winter time. And this product here, I laughed when I chose this to myself, but I can see me using this. Okay, so these are reusable makeup swabs, guys. So I always use makeup swabs when I'm doing my makeup, because either I mess up somewhere and I need to like clean something up and you just need something small. But I like the idea of it being reusable, and I thought that was pretty cool. So this is how it comes outside of the box, guys. And this is what it looks like. So you have these two Q-tips here with the ends here, and they're reusable. You can clean them and reuse them over and over again, and that will cut down on the waste and help the environment. So anything we can repurpose and keep reusing and cut down on the waste is all good for the environment. So I picked this up. So don't laugh at me. I know you guys think it's funny. It is funny. I laughed at myself. Don't worry about it. It's funny. But this is what I chose. And again, I don't have any prices on any of these things. I figure like the Ace Beauté palette and this Christoph stuff was probably going to take care of the box cost itself. So I was pretty good with all my other selections. So guys, the next two things that I have here, let me move them out the way, that I chose. This one I was kind of hyped about. So this is going to be a like cool little wrap you can put over yourself in the winter time, and it has like a little hood and a little shawl with it. So let me pull it out so you guys can see it. And I thought this was going to be cool. It's a lot of furry dust is flying around here, but look, it has a hood and then you can wrap yourself with it. So essentially, I'm gonna show you how it's going to work. You could be watching TV all nice and chill and you got something to wrap up in while you're watching TV. It's like perfect. perfect for the winter time for me. I'm always cold, so I was really hyped to get this. It has like the shearling inside here, and this is like perfect for me. So I thought this is like so perfect for me. I'm really happy about this, and I like how it has the hood, because you ever been so cold you just want to put your hood up and just kind of be all bundled up on the couch watching TV. So I'm always cold. This is the perfect thing for me, so I'm very happy with this selection. And the last selection that I have, let me put this over my chair that I can show you. The last thing that I selected for this box was the Fila back stretcher. So I did kind of put it somewhat together so I can show it to you guys. So it comes like this, and it has this other piece here to it. But I always have a problem with my back acting up, and I thought this would be something that really helped me strengthen my back a little bit more. So I see this more as like a health item, and I thought it would be the perfect choice for me, being that I've been having some back issues as of late with a lot of achiness and discomfort. You know, sitting at a desk all day working kind of does that to you, just messes your back up. And I've been trying to do like different stretching exercises at home, but I thought maybe this would be like something good to add to what I was already doing to kind of help me strengthen my back and also get my butt back in the gym, which is also going to help strengthen my back. But I just thought this was a better choice for me under my selection, so this is what I went with, and I can't wait to kind of use that. So guys, we are now down to, that's all 8 items that were in my box that I reviewed for you guys. I'm going to show you what I picked up for my add-ons really quick, and I only picked up 3 things. I was trying to kind of tone down. Now, one of the things I don't remember putting on my list, but I don't know, I got charged for it, but I don't necessarily remember selecting this at any point in time. And I remember going through my list, I don't remember selecting this, but maybe I got it for a gift for somebody, so I don't remember. So the first thing I selected was the Ryan Porter's. This is the Candelier candle. I've gotten I've gotten a candle from this brand before. So this one has 3 candles. Let me pop it out and show you what's in here very quickly. And these aren't uber big candles, by the way. They're nice little size candles. You can like kind of light. I like to have a lot of candles around in the winter time. I burn a lot of candles. I'm burning candles every day. So we have 3 different scents here. This is How About Mistletoe? Nope. This one, as soon as you smell it, I smell like a chocolatey scent. That you look at the green and you think it's going to be minty, and all I smell is chocolate. So that one is really chocolatey. And these are like 2.25 ounce candles. So these are like for your smaller candles to light. And the next one we have here is Let It Flow. Yeah, Let It Flow Pinot. So this one has more of a peppermint scent to it, to me, like a candy cane. Yeah, more like a candy cane scent on this one. And then we have this one here. I'm not coming unless there's wine. So this one has a very sweet smell, almost like berries. Like, yeah, like a berry kind of smell. So I picked these up. This was my add-on. And let me show you my next add-on. My next add-on, I also grabbed, oops. So guys, I also grabbed the Pixie Clarity Tonic, and this is a toner. So I do love toners, and Pixie is a pretty decent brand. If you haven't tried them, just give them a whirl. But I picked this up as well from the add-on sale, and I picked up one more item, which is the one I don't remember ordering, which happens to be this Hourglass Confessions Lips. What is this, a lipstick? Yeah, ultra slim, high intensity, refillable lipstick, which is kind of unique. You don't hear that too often. So this is how the item comes. Very slim, by the way. So very slim. And I think this is good for when you're going out and you don't have much space in your pocketbook for a regular size lipstick, and you're doing like maybe one of them wallet on chains purses. This will work great, or you have like an envelope style kind of pocketbook. I think this will work great when you're kind of tight on space, but you still want to bring your lipstick. So this is how it pulls out, and that is our color, a nice beautiful like red, deeper red color for the lipstick. So I thought that was cool to get, and I'm still trying to remember why I picked this up. I do not know why I picked this up. I know it cost like $15, I think. I don't remember picking this up. But anywho, those are my add-ons. I'm trying to like not buy as much stuff in the add-ons, and trying to, you know, not just be overspending on the add-ons. So I tried to reduce my selections this time for the add-ons. So in review for my box, we received the Christoph Robinson, we received the Ace Beauty palette, eyeshadow palette, we have the Herbivore Aquarius, we have the First Aid Beauty Moisturizer, we have the Espa Exfoliating Body Polish, we have the reusable Q-tips that I can't even hold on to, the reusable Q-tips, so we're just going to keep going. And we have our back scratcher, and we have my new favorite item, which is going to be this wrap here with the hood that goes over it, and I'm gonna be nice and snuggly watching TV. So guys, this is my box. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you're not already subscribed, why not? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. You'll be able to stay up to date with me with all my latest unboxings. Until next time, guys, keep your eyes open. I'm also doing my mystery bags for FabFitFun. I have, I think, 2 or 3 mystery bags that I picked up during a sale. So if you guys enjoy mystery bags with FabFitFun, make sure you check out my next upcoming video. Keep your eyes out for that one. But until next time, guys, stay blessed, have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time.